Hello kids, I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn 7 and 8. Take a new page. Now ask your parents to help you. Write here class work. Date here. Draw the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Color the ball. Only use green color. Color properly. Only use green color. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7. Write 7. Leave 2 boxes. Again 7 and 7. 7. Put dot in the boxes. Put dot in the boxes. P dot W dot. Practice work. Write 7. Sweeping line and slant line. Sweeping line and slant line. 7. Sweeping line, slant line. 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 7. Okay. Write 7. Write class work. Date here. Draw the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Color the ball. Only use black color. Color properly. Use black color. Okay. Color it. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Write 8. Write 8. Leave 2 boxes and 8. 8 and 8. Put dot in the boxes. P dot W dot. Practice work. Small circle and second small circle. 8. Circle and second small circle. 8. Okay. Small circle and second small circle. 8. Touch the bottom line and 8. Touch the bottom line and 8. Touch the bottom line. 8. Small circle, second small. 8. 8. Complete 8. I hope you understood number 7 and 8. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.